kolu tyelelo kwidyunivesithi Fort-Hare, ugqirha Nobuhle Nkabane uqale ngokudlala indlebe kwakunye nabafundi abebesemgceni belinde ukufumana uncedo kwiiofisi zengxowa-mali yabafundi. Ezinye zezikhalo zabo kukungafumani inkxaso-mali ngethuba. Oku kuye kubathintele ekubeni bakwazi ukubhalisa njengabafundi. Abanye abafundi bacula iingoma bephakamisa amaphepha abhalwa izidingo zabo. Wayesakuba lilungu lebhunga labafundi uAphelele Matiniso uxelele umphathiswa ngeengxaki zenkxaso-mali abajongene nazo.
As much as we do have financial issues, is the issue of registration. Because the university cannot operate without students registering. The university this year has denied access to all final year students who are not funded to register. As I'm telling you now, all students who are doing final year are not registered, those who don't have funding. Imagine those students are left with 2 or 3 modules to complete their studies. In previous years, the university was allowing those students to register. This year, the university denied all those.
Umatiniso uthi indawo yokuhlala abafundi kwikhampasi yaseDikeni ineebhedi ezimbalwa kunabafundi.
Here in campus, we are 10,000 students on this campus. And beds is 6,025 beds here out of 10,000 students. Now you ask yourself, where is the other 3,000, 4,000 students are living? Those who are funded, what are they receiving? In previous years, students would receive their accommodation allowance called living allowance. It was 5,000. Last year, because of there was a pilot project, they said they are going to cut the accommodation allowance. They introduced what we call flat rate. It means that we don't have accommodation allowance. We have flat rate of 2.5. It's not enough.
Umphathiswa wesebe lezemfundo ugqirha Nobuhle Nkabane uthi bafumene uthotho lwezikhalazo kubafundi bale dyunivesithi.
We did receive a number of concerns from students. They've been sending queries, concerns and frustrations to the department. So I felt it's very important for us to come and sit down with students as well as the senior management so that we can iron out and address those issues as soon as possible, because we do not want to leave anyone behind. We want all the students' issues to be attended to so that there is a smooth running or in terms of our academics this year.
Ugqirha Nkabane uhlaba ikhwelo kwingqonyela yale dyunivesithi ngelithi maqinisekise ukuba ziyasonjululwa iingxaki ezijongene nabafundi ukuze bakwazi ukufumana imfundo enomsila. Ndinguyamkela Mtshiyo kwiindaba ze-MPK eDikeni.